So, how do you find the best reality shifting method for you? Coming from a person who's used different types of methods, I figured there's no better time to share what's worked for me and how it's worked. And remember, this is what worked for me, and this is from my personal experiences. But I just wanted to share this, maybe your story's different or whatever, but I just figured this could help some people. So, let's get on to how to do it. First thing you're going to do is find a method of your choosing. It doesn't really matter. If you are a shifter who loves using those very advanced techniques, that's fine. Or if you're a shifter who doesn't like using methods, that's fine too. And make sure it's a method you will actually have fun doing. For example, if you don't like counting, then why the hell would you do a method where you count? Or if you don't like being in the starfish position, why use a method where you're in the starfish position? And once you have chosen that method, give it at least 4 to 5 nights and track your record to see whether or not if the method is working before you even consider giving up or moving on to a new method or whatever. And if 4 to 5 nights it still doesn't work, then that's when you can find a different method and repeat the same thing. And when trying these different methods, you'll see more methods do better than others. Or you might even see that you do better with no methods. And the ones that get you the closest to your DR, stick to doing them until you eventually shift to your DR. Now, most shifters either one, give up on a method after one night, or stick to a method that hasn't worked for them after trying for months. Try to avoid doing both and do what I just told you. And after you've given each method 4 to 5 nights for it to become effective, you've basically learned what works and what doesn't work. And it's so much easier knowing that than just straight up going into a method and then trying it. And then all of a sudden, after a long time, you see it doesn't work or whatever. Then you start second guessing yourself. I've had that happen to me before, but I've learned this, guys. And I'm a person with two successful shifts under my belt. One of them was me shifting to here, and the other one was a mini shift to my DR. And one big shifting advice I'm going to tell you is enjoy the process and love the walk. And don't obsess too much over the destination when shifting. I get it. I know how badly you want to shift to your DR. I want to shift to my DR so badly as well. But just trust me. If you learn how to love the process, it will help you so much on your shifting journey. And even better, this can also help you shift to other realities as well, even once you're in your DR. For those of you who have multiple DRs out there, I know I have multiple DRs, and I honestly cannot wait to go to them. But as of the recording of this video, it's Thanksgiving, and I hope you all had a good Thanksgiving. And if you don't celebrate Thanksgiving, I hope you all had a good day. But good luck on shifting, and I hope you all go home.